welcome back to the Gummy Juice Blanket. Today we are doing one science from each of the
So these are different science kits that I've ordered off Amazon and from Big Blue Store. Thank you. I don't want it right now, so I'm going to put it there to save it, okay? He's giving me cookies. Big Blue Store, our friends know what that is.
The one with the big on it?
You know the giant M in the corner? It goes, mmm.
Yep.
Alright, so we're going to put these over here for now. This one is going to be one that takes a while to do, so we're going to start this one since this one goes for a couple days.
Oh.
And then we'll do a different one, okay? So we have 4 jars. Can our Can our friends guess what we're going to make before we eat it? Okay. So in this kit, it's called Super Sweet Sugar Lab 20 Sticky and Gummy Science Explorations. Comes with the book. And in the book, it does give you instructions, and it does tell you if it's a long experiment, adult assistance required, and if you should not eat it.
Yeah. Making candy too.
Alright, so we bought 3 kits.
Yeah.
And they all have different science experiments in them?
Yeah, we're doing rock candy.
Alright, so you are soaking the sticks right now.
Yeah.
Well, I am making the actual solution. And kids, this is an experiment that you're going to want to have adult supervision with because you work with really super hot water.
Yeah. No, cold water.
No, Waylon, you use super duper boiling water so the sugar gets melty.
I need that down. You forget to make it warm. You have to stir it. Really big, right, Mom?
So in this bowl, I so far have 3 cups of water, and I just put in the 3rd cup of sugar, and I have a couple more to go. And I'm dissolving 1 cup at a time to make it a little easier. Basically what we're doing is making a simple syrup here.
Yeah.
Alright, fans, we are back now. Miss Kenzie should have been just sitting here with these sticks in the water, soaking them. I reheated the water because it cooled down from all the sugar. So there's 3 cups in there already. Here's the 4th cup. And again, we're making a simple syrup right now. And when you do that, you put in more sugar than you have water, and it makes a thick, sticky consistency. You also want to know something cool about it? Mm-hmm. Water and sugar mixed together is typically clear, right?
Yeah.
But you'll see this one when we put it into the jars, it really won't be clear.
Just seeing if you need help with anything.
I will eventually need a ladle. I didn't think about that ahead of time for pouring into the jars. That's for a different experiment. Remember, we had to follow the instructions and use what it tells us to use. And sweetheart, look at the size of the funnel that's in that little bag. Look at the size of the containers we are working with. Do you think that'll work?
No.
There's 5, and you said 6, right?
8. Actually, what it would be 8.5. But
6.
if we're doing the osmosis and letting it the air evaporate, and I think 6 will be enough. Because we don't need to make rock candies the size of baseballs.
No, they'll only be the size that you let them be. It's just...
I know, I'm just saying if we put that much into those mason jars, they're going to be gigantic crystals.
Yum.
Alright, and I actually think, looking at this now, it looks like it might be the perfect amount of sugar in here. So we'll close up this canister. That I'll need to refill again.
So she puts sugar in her coffee.
Now these are not going to be flavored with anything. Alright, actually, I need another paper towel.
Another paper towel.
You're going to lay them on the table in front of you.
In front of me?
Okay. And now, we're going to You're going to roll them around, make sure that they're all coated in that sugar, and then place them on one more towel so they can dry as we finish making up this sugar solution here. They don't need to be that coated, sweetheart. But you did a beautiful...
I want them to be sugary.
Yes, I know, but then we take and we knock off the loose bits of sugar. Okay.
How much on them are
They just need a light coating, so go ahead and do those ones.
Just looking to see where we could put them. I'm thinking right there when we're all done. It'll probably be the safest place that we can keep an eye on them.
Where little people cannot get a hold of them.
Correct.
Little people, I mean as in...
Little sir?
Yeah. Alright, when you're done knocking them together and off, put them on this one. Okay. And then no, you cannot lick that paper towel and eat that sugar.
No, I was gonna ask if I can put it on top of it.
No. Alright.
I don't like the diet.
You will get to do your food coloring in your jar, yes.
We'll just need one dog, but then the other one won't make.
Mommy will need a clean paper towel to set those on.
You were calling me, so
No, dear.
I got distracted for a second there. And this is also why I'm pouring them over the thing. Can you move the book, please, Kens? Thank you.
I got it.
Patience, young learner.
I'm
Patience, young learner.
Oh, Daddy, you're so silly.
I'm not silly. I'm just sitting and watching.
That was random.
Yeah.
Alright.
Mommy's gonna need another paper towel, Kenzie.
I can use the one that the sticks are on.
Okay. Looks like the syrup's starting to congeal a little bit.
No.
Congealing.
To thicken.
It's basically just a really good simple syrup. Anybody thirsty? That one has a lot in it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, they're roughly about the same amount in each. Not perfect, but that's fine. Okay, now, the part that Little has been asking about. Besides them being hot, sticky messes now. And Mommy being a hot, sticky mess. Let me go wash my fingers real quick because I'm all sticky. And I'm going to get a cloth so we can wipe these. And then we will do the dyeing of the liquid and stirring. And remember with these, pardon me, rock candies that we're making, people have made them with rope or string instead of sticks. We need a stirring device. You have the silverware down on the floor there?
Oh, yeah. A fork, a spoon. I'll get a fork.
You can get a fork and just use the handle. Alright, and you said you wanted what color?
Red.
Now, I'm helping with this part because food coloring stains. So, count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, go ahead and stir.
Why not use this part?
Just stir it up.
Ah!
Now it's on the floor. Kind of feel like I do when we're doing our canning. Clean the jars. Also, come this summer, should we do another canning video? Let us know. Let us know.
Yeah, and Mom, it's going pink.
It's because you need to mix it a lot because most of the food color is still on the top.
The food color will just go really far through the top. I mean the bottom, so I'm using the top.
Little man's upstairs.
Yeah, he decided he wanted some video time, and he was a squirrel, so.
That one's still a little sticky over here.
You're doing red too? Oh, you're making purple. Can I see yours?
I will need a stir or two.
Looking purpley already. I'll get 3. Because Daddy might want to do 2. Right?
Maybe.
Never mind, Daddy.
You still have 2 more to mix, don't you? Okay, well.
He was helping.
That's black.
It's not black.
It looks
Just very dark
black.
purple.
Mine's going to be a bright red. But I
Do you want a
my
couple
red
more?
to be darker.
It mixes up really, really good. And then
I like dark red.
We'll
It's
take
my
this.
favorite color.
put the clothespin on the stick.
Can I do that too?
Stop, stop, stop. You done mixing?
Yes, but I want to do it in my...
Relax. With the... It's fine. Put it in your thing. Balance the clothespin on the edge.
I wish it...
And then we leave them sit.
I wish it weren't so time-consuming. Yeah. How about we both do 2? Right, Mommy? Let's both do 2.
I was making sure that it wasn't touching the bottom of the jar. Okay,
Why can't
These
I pick
two?
the bottom?
we're done. So we'll move them over here because you want a little bit of gap between the bottom of the jar and the stick.
Yay. I'm gonna have purple.
careful not to make a giant puddle.
Okay. Not gonna stir it yet. Gotta put in some. And then blue.
Green and yellow together here?
You're just gonna make bright green.
Make kind of a neon color.
For the holiday in March?
Sure. I wasn't even thinking of that, honestly, but it works.
Okay, Miss Letty, mix yours up. Oh, thank you. Put the cap back on.
Mine's already purpley.
And then actually
Yeah, that's
tomorrow,
now purple.
sweetheart, we will notice a change in colors. If you want to stay like that where it's not fully mixed up, maybe you can see how the colors will come out.
I want to make it now purpley.
That's perfectly now purpley.
There. Miles is my favorite character
Put
in
it on there.
Descendants. Besides Zuma and Evie. Those are my 3 favorite characters in Descendants.
Alright, and then tomorrow we will...
Notice a difference.
Okay.
Look how pretty my
Then
boat is.
Mommy will have to move so I can clear off the shelf above her without knocking into her.
Can we let this one dry?
Oh, remove myself from this position.
Can we let mine dry?
Actually, you can stay right there, dear. Just head them
We'll,
off the
yeah, we'll
chairs.
leave them all right here, okay? Now, you said you wanted to do a what?
Color changing experiment. So, I'm sure
Stop.
I'll leave these.
Look at me. 1, are you going to follow all the rules?
Yeah.
2, are we going to clean this experiment up first?
Yeah.
3, are we going to learn?